Alright y'all, I'm gonna try to make this video real quick. Today we are doing the cabin air filter. This is what it looks like. That's the part number. Got it from AutoZone. It was like 19 bucks. Alright, we're inside of Alexa right now. Don't mind the seats. Yeah, I know they need replacing. That's gonna have to come later. Anyways, you're gonna open this up. This is the glove box. Then you'll see two tabs. And here, hold on, let me clean this out real quick. Alright, that's better. Alright, two tabs inside the glove box at the edge. You can go ahead and take the tab. You can close it a little bit, just enough so you can get your hands in the side right here. Well, I'll try to show you from this side so you can see better. The sun is out. Alright, basically take your finger, put it on the side and reach until you can feel the tab. That black tab right there, you're gonna push it inwards. Push hard there, just like that. You push it in like that, and then you can wiggle it around until it comes in like that. That's how it looks. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Push your finger through. Once you pop it in like that, pull it in. Now the glove box will extend out like that, right? It can drop and fall. Also, if you look right here on the side right here, it's not hooked up on Alexa because I never hooked it back up, but this little arm right here is supposed to be mounted to this right here, so you might have to connect that part back too. It extends out like that. You might have to disconnect it yourself. I already had it disconnected because something else I did prior, but yeah, that arm holds it too. Disconnect that arm. There's a tab, you push on it and then pull it out from this right here, and then it'll fall all the way down like this right here. Then we are going to have to take off this metal bracket right here that's going straight across. If you look right there, that is a 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter on that side. Come over here on this side, 10 millimeter there. So we'll do that real quick. Sorry, it's an 8 millimeter. Got my drill and my 8 millimeter. Go ahead and once you got those all four of those 8 millimeter bolts out, you can wiggle this bracket loose, wiggle it, pull it up. All right, it's up on that side, pull it out on this side. Now, one more thing we have to do, because the cabin air filter is in this housing right here. So this housing that goes up and down, this slides out. The cabin air filter is in there. If you notice right here, it's still being blocked right here by the bottom of the glove box. So you can go ahead, and I probably should have had you do this before, but the screws that you see going up is holding the hinges to the glove box up, which is going to be in the way. I could probably get away with taking off just one side and kind of letting it lean a little bit one side down so that I can go ahead and open that up. So we'll see. I'm going to take off. I'm going to start with that side and take it off and see if I can just wiggle it through with just that side down. So that worked. Took off the bolt for just that side, and I'm able to drop it low enough that I can go in here and find this tab right here at the top of the cabin air filter housing. Pull on this tab just like that, right? Okay. At the bottom there's a tab just like that one. So same thing, gonna reach under there, pop that tab, and then this lid comes off. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right there. And you can see it's been a long time since I changed the cabin air filter here in Alexa. There's a lot of junk in there, and I can see it already without even pulling the filter out. I'm not surprised. I've been off-roading and everything with Alexa. Alexa's been in mud, sand, dirt, clay, water, and that's all of everything right there. Look at how dirty it is. All right, I'm just gonna take the new one out so you can do a side-by-side comparison. It's just a new one, old and new comparison. So if you look in there, you'll see all that trash in there. I have to clean that out. I'm not gonna just put my new filter in there with that trash in there, so I gotta find a way to clean that out. And yeah,